Now, today we're going to talk about your online business report. Now, this is how your business shows up online and it scores you. Okay. Now, if you're a client of Go Agency AI, we've already done this for you. All you got to do is ask us to resend you the link. We can refresh it. In fact, anytime a new client signs up, we do this and then we compare it months later to see if we raised the score, right? So, if you don't have it, just go here to the chat, hit the live chat, ask for your free online marketing report, and we'll send it to you. No problem. Or send you the link if you're not a client where you can get your free marketing online business report. But you got to give us your contact information first. Sorry about that. So we can email and text it to you, of course. And so here's what the overall score of this business. I'm not going to pick on any current clients. I'm going to pick on this business because I love them to death. I eat lunch there several times, and I think they haven't responded to 4,000 Google reviews. They didn't respond to my review, and it hurt my feelings. Anyway, no, I want them to actually show up in Google results a lot better than they are. So let's look through this report. This is the overall score, and you can see the business details, the tech stack, the Google business profile, online reputation, listings, website performance, and SEO analysis. So let's look at the business details. They don't have a chat widget on their site, which means they're missing an opportunity to capture customer information and create a dialogue and a relationship with that customer. They do have a text-enabled number, which is, not the norm nowadays where you can text, but of course, businesses don't say call or text us everywhere. And they don't have a missed call back text. Say, hey, I'm sorry we missed your call. You can text us back here. The hosting, not a major provider, and they're definitely not responding to replies. I think they've missed 89% here. Let's look at their tech stack. I mean, if you don't have Google Tag Manager running on your site or a pixel, an ad pixel, you're not running any ads. They do have an analytics pixel. That's good. Let's look at their business profile. All this is verified. This is great. They're doing well there. But let's look at our listings. This is really bad. So I'm going to go into listings and how you order listings and how you look at listings in the next video. But let's just look at this. You can see that I've had clients where competitors have claimed their listing and put their own phone number. That's how important this is. And they were losing business to another company. They took over and claimed their listings. This is important. This is the kind of thing you don't think happens, but it does, just like negative reviews from competitors, right? So you see these matches, but there's a lot that aren't matched if I go through here. These are some of the big ones. Thank God it's not Apple Maps, right? Okay, in the review summary, I did an analysis and I think they had 3,000, almost 3,000, 2,900 it was actually, because that was how many they had, 2,900 reviews that they hadn't responded to. We can fix that problem for 10 cents. I mean, it's insane in this day and age to have that problem, but I come across companies all the time like that. All right, so here's the next thing. Your average rating on Facebook. Is it embedded in their site? Are they using a reviews widget to gain SEO exposure? Probably not. So an online reputation, this is okay. Website performance, this is a big one. Is it low? 17 seconds, okay? If you know this, if 80% of your customers that are coming to your site and they're on mobile and they take 17 seconds to load, are they going to stay on that site? Is there any wonder why you're not getting online orders if that's the first experience they have? And look, I mean, 17 seconds is really low, but 2 seconds on desktop is even slow. So page speed, these are huge factors here. I would send this to their web developer and say, hey, fix this right away. And then this is another feature that I love. I mean, this is their whole problem, right? They're not even ranking in the top 10 in Google, and they're one of the best restaurants in downtown St. Pete at Beach Drive. I've emailed managers several times. I've talked to them. They're slow. I mean, they do a good amount of business, but how much better could business be by just taking care of these simple little things, right? These are simple things. They don't cost any money. And of course, they really don't show up on SEO at all. So Ask for your marketing report from Go Agency AI. We'll find the gaps in your business and we got tools to match them. So take a look at this report. We also use it as benchmarking for our clients to see how we're improving them, right? Especially right here. We want to be in the top 3 all the time right here for every keyword that matters for your business. So I'll see you in the next video.